Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, November 19, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. I want to thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we'll start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures this morning are trading higher by about 4 points at 20.83 and 3/4 per contract. Yesterday, the market soared and roared to the upside. And again, I'm not really sure what the catalyst is. I don't even know if we really have one. But nonetheless, the market is higher, and that's what we need to respect. So we'll see how this plays out today. And again, as usual, there are a lot of stocks in the news. We've got some good earnings out here. So let's check them out. We're going to start off with Salesforce.com, ticker symbol CRM. And what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $81.35, closed at $77.35. I believe this is a new all-time high for Salesforce. So nice little pop there. Again, a little hard to chase this one, but there could be potential upside in it, so we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see where this stock is going, but right now, Salesforce is trading higher. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You can see what everything that we're doing, trade right with us. And again, we're going to have some gap plays today, so it's a good day to get into the chat room. Let's take a look at CTRP, which is C-Trip. This is another one that is having a big move to the upside. The stock closed at $95.07. It is now trading at $106.40, another new all-time high. So two stocks in a row making new all-time highs, two good moves. We'll look at those once the opening bell rings. Now let's take a look at GMCR, which is Green Mountain Coffee Roasters, better known as Keurig Green Mountain now. Stock is trading at $48.30. Closed at $40.50. So this is another good move. We will likely play this one in the intraday stock chat room today. So again, I don't have great levels for us at the moment, but I will have good levels for us once we get to the opening bell. Again, right off the bat, I'm seeing big resistance around $55.70. Keep that on the radar. We'll see if it does get up to that level today. All right, let's take a look at NTAP. I believe they reported earnings as well. This is NTAP. Stock right now is trading at $31.70, closed at $31.04, so you've seen a little uptick. Again, we'll look at this a little bit closer once the opening bell rings. I don't know if there's much we're going to do with it here at this level, but we will watch this and we'll see if we do get any significant setups once the opening bell sounds. Let's take a look at Cena Corp. They reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Looks like the stock is just flatlining at $51.50. I'm not sure what's going on there. No volume here, but this will be in play today. We play this stock quite a bit. Let's take a look at Best Buy. Stock is trading at $30.26. Did trade all the way down to $28. I have levels for this stock, so they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room, although over the last 20-30 minutes, the stock has rebounded up a little bit. Yesterday, it did close at $31.33. Right now, trading at $30.26. So if it does come back down to these lows, I do have gap support levels for this name. Another stock to keep on the radar today is SJM, which is going to be JM Smucker. This is not really moving around all that much, but the company did report earnings, so it will be on the radar today. Keep that on the list. Let's take a look at United Health. Stock is trading sharply lower, closed at $117.25. It is now trading at $110.30, so that's a pretty good haircut for United Health. I will have gap support levels for this equity once the opening bell rings. We will be playing United Health today. Now, in sympathy to the decline in United Health, you want to take a look at Humana Corp. Or Humana Inc., and you're going to see that this is trading at $167, closed at $161. We'll try to find some levels for this one as well. Right now, right off the bat, I do like the 160 level if it does get down there, so keep that on the radar today. 160 on Humana. It is trading down in sympathy to United Health. A couple of other stocks to take note of. SMTC, which is Semtech. You're going to see this is trading at $16.80, closed at $19.25. This will be in play today as well. Right off the bat, I'm seeing some support around $16.15, $16.20, right in that vicinity if it does get down there. Let's take a look at BKE. I believe this is Buckle. I believe they had some earnings as well. Right now, I'm seeing the stock trade out at $29.97, closed at $30.44, so it's not a big move, but we'll keep it on the radar today, and we'll see how that one plays out. All right, let's take a look at the gold market today. Gold futures trading down just 50 cents. Trading up $1.50, to $1,070.20 an ounce. So gold futures upticking a little bit here, and that means the dollar is probably down ticking a little bit. And sure enough, that is the case with the dollar here, just down a touch. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is lower by 57 cents to $41.39 a barrel. Crude has been a wild mover as of late, and I expect that to continue. We'll see how that plays out today, but we will look at that again once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. So with that being said, everybody, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. Should have some good action out here today. This is an options expiration trading week, which means the institutional market makers have a lot of games to be played with the small retail options investor. So we'll see how that all plays out and shakes out. But nonetheless, we should get good activity. With that being said, I want to wish you all a great trading day. And again, we will see you on the charts.